Day 6 of 10-day turnaround. I see possibility. This is mental agility part 2. Your perspective is as agile as your thoughts. Train yourself to see possibility. I'm going to paraphrase Michael Watkins. He's a professor of leadership and organizational change at the IMD Business School in Lausanne, Switzerland. Visioning is about identifying the future to which you're trying to move yourself, a compelling portrait of where you're going to go and why you should feel excited about getting there. On that journey, you need to manage between ambition and achievability. If you err too far on the side of ambition and you create something unrealistic that you won't feel like you can really accomplish, then you do exactly what you're trying not to do, exactly what you're trying to avoid, and that is to motivate yourself. If you err too far on the side of achievability, then the goal's too easy, it's not ambitious, and it's certainly not exciting. And so it doesn't fundamentally motivate you. Here's an option to train your brain to see possibility. Identify one belief that you've been taught that you are ready to change and write one sentence detailing the new behavior surrounding that belief. So you're going to write one sentence about an old belief that you know you need to change and the way you would act differently toward that. So this is rewriting your story. So here's an example, okay? So say you're ready to give up sugar. So you stop eating and buying anything that has sugar as an ingredient on the label. This is ambitious, but it's completely achievable. And put your new behavior in the comments below. Be an example to others of ambitious achievement. You can do this. You really can. How do I know? Because you're here. Live deliberately.